Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In today's 2-minute Linux tip, we're going to look at the mtr command and see what it can tell us about network connections. mtr stands for My Trace Route and displays the route that a connection to a particular system takes by providing a continuously updating display of timing data. As you will soon see, mtr shows all the routers that a connection crosses to reach the specified destination. To use the command, you only need to type mtr followed by the name or IP address of the system you're trying to reach. Notice how the values are being continuously updated. We type Control-C or Q to stop the display. Notice also how each hop in the output is numbered, and we have at the beginning a group of local IP addresses. We also see the timing on the right. It shows the command values, how long it takes to reach a system, including the average, best, and worst times. The higher the standard deviation, the greater the difference between the best and worst round-trip times. Understand that you can lose packets and still have very reliable connections. If you have problems with connections, on the other hand, mtr can help you pinpoint where the problems are coming from. Look for very high round-trip times or evidence that your connections aren't going through. Well, that's your 2-minute Linux tip for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.